guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please, before I continue this video, guys, this is what I've been listening to. Please focus. Why is this thing always embarrassing me? Yes, it's called cultural praise by Casey. Let me play it small. Come. I don't know why I'm sitting there. I can't sit down. I'm sorry. If you know Igbo, like if you don't speak Igbo, you'll not understand. Anyway, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post. I'm really loving the way my hair is, even though I'm not happy. I hate washing my hair because it really shrinks every single time. Like the struggles of having a fussy hair. Anyway, that's not why we're here. My hair is not why we're here. So today I'll be sharing 5 business you can start with zero capital. And let me tell you guys, my YouTube is more like my life. So whatever I'm coming to share with you, I've applied it to myself and it's working. So I wouldn't share something that is not working for me because I'm not about that life. Okay, we're already in December. We're finally going to leave this year behind, and January is always a good time for a fresh start. So for those of you that have your plans, you know, before you start writing your goals and all those things, you also need money. You need ideas on how to make money, especially for Nigerians, because the country we find ourselves in, they don't make plans for us. Like, we just have to make plans for ourselves. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Yes. The first one is learn a skill. Learn something. There are so many things you can learn. You can learn how to sew. You can, you know, learn tailoring. You can learn how to make hair. You can, you know, learn how to make nails. You can learn how to bake. You get me? Like, you can learn how to bake. Just learn something, because like I said, the country we find ourselves in, they don't make plans for us. So we just gotta look for ways to, you know, make extra cash. I don't know why this dog is barking. It's really annoying me, but I'm too pretty for that. Number 2, open a YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you guys how all these things connect. When I say open a YouTube channel, for instance, if you learn how to bake, you can open you won't even lack content if you open a YouTube channel. You just be baking meat pie. I have one of the best meat pie videos on YouTube. Argue with whoever is ready to argue with you, obviously not me. You can learn. I'm just being too much because I look really pretty. I'm looking at myself, oh my, you know, I can see that I look so fine. Focus, Trish, focus. Back to why we are here. Like I said, open a YouTube channel. When you learn how to bake, for instance, you can open a YouTube channel and, you know, share those recipes with us. Teach us how to make meat pie. I still want to learn. I don't have the best meat pie video on YouTube, but I still want to learn your own. You know, you can teach us how to bake. You can teach us how to bake cupcakes, how to bake meat pie, how to make samosa, like those little things. With that, like when you learn a skill, you won't really lack content to post on YouTube. And one secret about YouTube is, for you to grow fast, let your content be skillful. Like, let people be eager to watch your content because they know they're going to learn something. Do you get me? So like I said, you can learn a skill. That's number one. Second, open a YouTube channel. You have a phone. There are free apps. I'm currently using a free app for my video editing. Like, the only thing I pay for is actually to take out the watermark, which is like 1,100 or something. No, it's like 1,400. So that's not expensive now. You can, you know, get something like that. And let me tell you guys, I'm a hairstylist. I'm a certified hairstylist. And how did I learn how to make hair? I had this woman that really liked me when we were in Niger State. So I would always go to her house. I'll help her out. You know, she'll send me on little errands. I'll go to the market. I'll help her go to the bank. One day, and she had a big salon. One day I just looked at her. I was like, Mommy Richie, please, I want to learn how to make hair. She's like, really? I'm like, yeah. She's like, okay, no problem. You can be going to the shop, but you have to learn. Oh. And she was paying my transport, you know. That was how I learned how to make hair after school. The reason I went to her is because then they were pressuring me to write JAMB. And I didn't want to write JAMB. Like, I never wanted to school in Nigeria. Yeah, so just because, like, you just have to learn. You see, don't get me wrong, being an entrepreneur is really hard. I'll make that video, but you'll be glad you invested in yourself at the end of the day. So like I said, let's focus. Number one, learn a skill. Number two, open a YouTube channel. What's the third one? Become an influencer. You see all that data that you're buying, put it to good use. Grow your Twitter. You can grow your Twitter followers. You can grow your Instagram followers. You know, just grow that page. Don't just be coming online and be laughing at jokes, be laughing at MC Lively, Maraji, Taoma, all those people. They are, most of their videos, can't you see that they are always advertising something? Like, become an influencer. Just grow your Twitter. If you're the type that is always active on social media, you can grow your Twitter followers. You can grow your Instagram followers. You can even like grow your Facebook, you know, little by little. Like, start doing freelance. Just when you see people post their products, repost for them. People engage. Like, do you get me? You use that to grow your own page. Before you know it, you are an influencer. It's not that deep. Honestly speaking, it's actually not that deep. Like, grow your page. You'll be glad you did. Like I said, become an influencer. You can grow your Twitter followers, your Instagram followers, and, you know, start reposting for people. Truth be told, before you start making money, you need to invest, like put in work. Did you get me? So start doing reposting for people free of charge. You use that to, you know, get people to engage and all of that, and boom, you're an influencer. Do you get me? You start making millions too. The next thing is start doing drop shipping. Drop shipping is really easy. It's one of those things that legit you don't need any capital for, but you need to be like really active. You know, you can go on websites that sell things and you advertise those things. When people want to buy, you give them your own price. When they pay, you pay the, you know, the people that have it, and they ship it immediately. You don't even need to buy those things to your house. Like, there's no money right now. Do you understand? So you can start doing drop shipping. You know, if it's hair, if it's, I use like I've made a video regarding that. I'll leave it somewhere here. I use Taobao and I use made in China. So you can use a website that you understand, because I mean Taobao is strictly Chinese, so if you don't understand Chinese it will be too much for you. Do you get me? So you can, you know, start doing drop shipping. That's really easy. Do you get me? Like, there are so many things you can do. You can do drop shipping, you can start reposting for hair advertising. You know, when right now, like I said in my previous video, I sell hair, but just because I've not done my official launching, I actually don't have hair. What I do is, when people ask me for hair, I buy directly from the factory and then I send to them. Do you get? So it's still the same thing, and it's a bit cheaper because I'm buying directly from the factory, and because it's cheaper, they will always want to, you know, buy from me. And if you sell good quality, they're obviously going to tell a friend to tell a friend. That's how you get your billions. Do you get me? That's how you buy your Benz. That's how you start popping by the time you get into the first half of 2021, because I know 2021 is your year, and I believe that. Can I get a loud amen? Did you shout amen, or you are just doing small? Can I get a loud amen? Good. Anyways, the next thing, if you're a good writer, you can start a blog. You can, you know, write interesting stories. Just start a blog if you're a good writer. I'm really not a good writer, to be honest, because there are so many things you can do with zero capital. You can start a blog if you're a good writer. You know, just make, you have data. I know you're always buying data, you're always online. Get a reward for that. Don't just be coming online and be laughing pay on Insta blog and Tunde notes page, or you are retweeting all the tweets you're seeing on Twitter, doing all the hashtag, following all the trends. Put it to good use. Don't buy data in 2021 if you're not getting your money back, because if only me buy Benz, how it won't come become void? How my one Benz will become void? Even if I get 10 Benz, I know if you ride all of them at the same time. You get what I'm saying? So you need to plan ahead, so that by the time we are showcasing our Benz, you go join the convoy. Do you get me? Like, I mean, I want everybody to win. Like, this 2020 made me realize that Nigeria, you see Nigeria that will find ourselves inside, you know, get plans for me and you. So we got to make plans for ourselves. Do you get? Like, I was talking to my friend today, Nello. Like, shout out to Nello. Like, that girl, she give me joy. She they give me joy. I was talking to her this evening. Like, we're just talking about our plans, things we like want to achieve and all of that. And I was also talking to my friend Do. Shout out to my baby girl, my best baby girl for life. All my friends, they give me joy, honestly. I was talking to them and we're just, you know, talking about our plans. Like, I mean, this year has taught us so much. If you didn't learn anything this year, at least you know that being an entrepreneur, like having a business of your own, having a brand, like grow your brand. Like, as you are like that, you can be a multi, like, what am I saying? You can buy 100 Benz without brand if you grow it well. So please, like I said, invest in yourself. You'll be glad you did. If you watch up until this place, I love you. You're a real one. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful. And look at the baby girl. Look at me. Wow. Anyways, make plans, because next year we're buying our Benz, and that's on period. Okay, bye.